Welcome back to another thrilling video full of idiots in cars getting served with instant karma, crazy car crashes, road rage, and more. Sit back and enjoy. Also remember to never drive like these people do. Watch as this vehicle loses control on a slippery, icy road and collides with multiple vehicles, causing havoc on the road. This black vehicle couldn't handle the turn as he was driving too quick, which led to this.
Oh my goodness.
People need to learn to time their turns better and be more aware, because this could have been avoided so easily. This car was speeding on a residential street and lost control of the wheel, which led to instant karma. Luckily, nobody was harmed. The silver car needs to get a mind of his own. He saw the white car manage to get through and tried to copy him, but failed. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.
Em chuyên đủ.
Patience is key.
Gọi giao thông đi. Mất rồi.
Silver car forgot to look in front. Brake checking a car on a motorbike while you're exposed is one of the stupidest things I've seen. Dude has no more than 50 IQ. Again, patience is key. Rushing to get somewhere can lead you to not getting there at all. If this wasn't recorded, no one would believe it. This is a different type of pettiness. Who do you think is in the wrong here? Let me know in the comments below. Extremely close call. For what? He saved about 15 seconds but risked his life and car for it.